What's good, YouTube? Today we're looking at Strava for the Apple Watch. If you haven't come across Strava before, it's a well-established fitness tracking app that can track a variety of physical activities. It's a hugely popular fitness social platform, and it allows you to track your progress with others in the area on the platform. Here we'll take a look at Strava on the Apple Watch and its integration into its mobile platform and its subsequent route tracking and biometric tracking capability. So if you've used Strava before or just looking for a fitness tracking app for your Apple Watch, then stay tuned after the jump for more. The biggest draw for using Strava is that it's probably the most popular fitness tracking app in the world with over 50 million users. And you'll likely be able to find a Strava community to compare various runs and or other activities with other athletes in your neighborhood. It's quite popular and has a comprehensive list of features that would work for any kind of runner or any kind of outdoor exercise that can be tracked. The app itself is widely popular and widespread on mobile platforms, and its popular community and challenges features are established in various cities, as you'll likely be able to find a Strava community in most major metropolitan areas. So you'll be able to find like-minded runners in your area and be able to track your routes as well as your results. So if you've been using Strava on your mobile phone, then you'll be very happy to hear that Strava on the Apple Watch has excellent integration with the mobile version. And you can actually use Strava on the Apple Watch independently of the Strava app on your iPhone. So if you're going for a run, fire up your Apple Watch in the Strava app, and the next time you sync your Apple Watch with your iPhone, Strava will load your run data into the Strava iPhone app. The actual app on the Apple Watch is also quite nice, as it allows you to choose right off the bat from which activity you like to do and track. Once you start exercising, simply swipe left from the display channel to get some controls where you can pause, finish, and adjust settings for the tracking function. So if you like to run light and don't like to carry your iPhone around with you while you're running, this increases the versatility of the Strava app, as you have access to all the location tracking, route tracking, and heart rate and biometric tracking data that you would normally have on your Strava app, but it's all contained nicely on your wrist in your Apple Watch. I found this very useful, as Strava has very detailed route information synced with distance and other tracking information on the mobile app, and this is all readily available to me after I synced my Apple Watch with my iPhone. So who will make best use of Strava for the Apple Watch? If you've ever been going about your business and have been seeing other runners running specific routes and challenges on specific routes in your city, then chances are they were on a Strava challenge or a Strava specific segment. Or if you've ever seen those diagrams of running routes throughout your city, then chances are these were generated via Strava. So if you're looking to get a part of this community, then the Apple Watch and the Strava app on the Apple Watch is the perfect, most mobile way of doing so. On the flip side, if you don't want to have any kind of community involvement altogether, but just want to get to know the best running routes in your area a little better, then Strava is also a great solution to that, as its detailed elevation and route diagrams make it very easy for you to map out your run. I was surprised myself how detailed the landmarks and segment information was on the Strava app in my area. Leave a comment below if you fall into either of these categories. Are you the type of person that likes to track the running data against others in the community? Or are you just looking to get more detailed route information and ideas of where you can run in your city? For me, I kind of fell into both categories. I wasn't so hardcore into the running groups, but I generally did want to know how others around me were doing. And of course, I found the Strava maps and information about specific segments extremely useful for mapping out new runs and new distances around my area. Strava and the Apple Watch allowed me to do these two things in a quite seamless and effortless way. All I had to do was wear my Apple Watch, load the Strava app up, and away I went. Every time the app synced with the iPhone, it synced with the largest Strava network, and I had access to countless information and data from other Strava users. Where does Strava fit for you? Do you enjoy its features and challenges? Leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, post your favorite Strava stories, and thanks for watching.